What's up everybody, it's Taylor here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking that button down below and make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today we're going to be doing a very iconic Black Friday haul. If you know me in real life, you know that I am very good at finding deals. So, of course, every year I go Black Friday shopping. It's my favorite holiday, and today I'm going to be showing you what I got. The first thing that we're going to start off with is actually something that's not clothing, but one of the best deals in my opinion. So I went to Target and got this razor set from Chic Hydro, and what it is, it has a razor, two heads, a hanger here, some retouchable razors as well, and then a full-size shaving cream. So that's an amazing deal. It's actually $10 at Target, but they were having an extra 30% off gift sets, so this was only $7. Like, that's amazing. This itself is already $7. I mean, maybe even more. So this was probably like one of the best purchases I made. I might give these away, I don't know. Maybe I'll try it. I gotta look up some YouTube tutorials, that's for sure. The next thing I got from Target was this Toy Story Pizza Planet men's t-shirt. It wasn't like on a crazy sale or anything. They were having $8 men's tees, men's and women's tees, but the men's tees are a lot better at Target in my opinion. And this was actually on clearance for $6.48, so it wasn't a part of any of their really Black Friday doorbuster sales or anything. That's it for Target. I am only gonna go through the things that I bought for myself, obviously, because if anyone's watching this, I don't want them to know what I got them as a gift. Next, we're gonna go to Nordstrom Rack. I'm pretty sure that everything else that I'm going to show you in this video is from Nordstrom Rack because they had their clearance at an extra 50% off the markdown price. So for instance, this sweater, that's cute, right? It was $19.48 on clearance, and it was an extra 50% off of that, so I paid 10 bucks. The original price for this sweater says $29.97. Next thing I'm going to show you is this duster. Like one of these, you know, light jacket things. It's pretty long and it's super cute. Oh, I probably can't put it on over my sweater now because it would be too tight. But this was $23.99 on clearance. And also you have to be careful because there are things that say that they're clearance, but they don't have that iconic red tag. Like, they don't have this type of tag. And so the lady ringing me up actually forgot to put in the 50% on this one. But thankfully I caught it and told her that it was on clearance. The duster was originally $188. That's a lot. This brand is called Bagatelle. I've never heard of that. That is crazy. I would not pay $188 for this thing. That's, wow, I'm amazed. This is a sports bra. Isn't that cute? The back is open and it's from Zella Body, and the original price was $49. I got this for $18.97. The next thing from Nordstrom Rack is gonna be this workout shirt. It's all twisted right now. Oh, it's like this. Here's the front, and then there's the back. Really cute. And this was on sale for $9.97, so 50% off of that is $5. And the original price was $39. The next thing that I want to show you is this frilly tank top. Super cute. It was on sale for $7, but I actually didn't catch the lady, again with the clearance tag that I said. She didn't give me that 50% off of this. I know it's not summer, but this with jeans and like a cardigan or something, like a sweater, super cute. I've been wanting these for a long time, and Nordstrom Rack was having a sale where if you buy a certain dollar amount, you get money off later after January 1st. So I got these Adidas sneakers. They were $54.97. They're actually $70 at the Adidas store, so really good deal at Nordstrom Rack. This item I'm very, very excited about. So it's a Rebecca Minkoff belt bag. You can wear it like that around your waist. So the original price on this item is $195 because it's Rebecca Minkoff. It's really nice. And it was on sale for $60. So that means I got it for $30. That's amazing. From $195 to $30. Jeez, that's really good. I actually wanted this item before the sale, but I didn't really want to spend $60 on it. So I'm so excited that I found it again and was able to get it at half off the sale price. Another item that I got was this teddy bear jacket that's like a light lavender color. I love it! The original price was $140. It was on sale for $20.99, so that means I got it for $10. Isn't that crazy? $10.50, literally. And then the last item that I want to show you came in the mail today, and I actually got this item for free. It is a Down East pullover sweater. So that's the front, and this is the back. So if you didn't know, I am a Down East brand ambassador. Down East is a craft cider from Boston. Hashtag not spons, but I love the product. It is literally the softest sweater that I own. So I'm so happy with this. And that was the last thing on my list. I'll put the total of the entire haul, the total before the sale and the total after the sale. Oh, I love these comparisons. I used to do them all the time. Thank you so much for sticking to the end, you guys. I appreciate you watching this video. Y'all, my camera just died on me. Thanks for watching this video. Happy belated Thanksgiving.